This is a fantastic looking 1967 Chevy Camaro. Beautiful black paint. Awesome stance. Just sweet.
What a show quality car, Dalton. I mean, not many people spend the kind of money that was spent on this 1967 Camaro.
Yeah, kind of a built 327.
That air conditioning is also going wide open in there. So that idles with the air going. Brand new battery, brand new aluminum radiator, power steering, power disc brakes, brand new vintage air system just installed. And the quality of this, it's got a couple little chips, unfortunately, kind of happened here, and we'll point those out. But what a quality car. And the bottom side of this paint is just as nice as the top side, isn't it, Dalton?
Oh, it is. The bottom side of paint is just as mirror-like as the exterior. Little 327. When I had Brant look at it when it kind of first came in to see if we needed to adjust the lifters or anything, and he said on this car they have it set up like an old school race guy would. They have the lifters set a little loose so that way you can run a nice high RPM.
Yeah.
It's built for RPMs, but just a good running 327. Nice set of headers on there. Beautiful engine bay. We just added the vintage air, and I like what they did too. That kind of front subframe's painted gold to match the stripes on it. Aluminum radiator. But awesome gaps, and that black paint is beautiful.
It really is, Dalton. Somebody's going to get a heck of a car.
Hood fits excellent to the tops of the fender. I love you just don't see them with the gold stripes. It's really neat.
It's a cool color combination. It's got the front and rear spoiler. It's got a great stance as well. We went ahead and put the American Racing Torq thrust chrome wheels on it. And as you mentioned, the gaps are great. The paint's awesome on it. 4-speed with full console. And I like what we did with the interior. We went ahead and bought brand new TMI seats. We covered the back seat as well. The headliner is perfect. All the dome lights work in there. Back shelf's great. What a quality car inside and out.
Yeah, 4-speed Hurst shifter with the correct console. Got the gauges down there on the console like it would have. Beautiful door panels. Felts look new. And the door jamb paint's awesome as well. Really nice.
Perfect doors.
Show you the bottom side. Look at the floors on this thing are all like high gloss black.
I wish I knew who painted this. I'd want them to paint every single car I could ever restore.
Yeah, they did awesome, huh? Got really nice floors. It's got frame connectors. Beautiful interior.
And this is just a nice driver. I mean, a driver as far as the motor wise. It's not a souped up, overpowered car. It's probably a 300 horse, 327, 4-speed, just handles down the road awesome at 70, 80 mile an hour with the air conditioning blowing ice cold.
Laser straight body, and that paint looks like glass. The paint's it's not brand new, you know?
No.
And it still looks this nice.
It's probably 5 years old, but it's, besides a couple tiny little chips, which we'll point out, I think they're mainly in the front, but here's a little tiny touch-up right here, Dalt. Somebody touched in just a little tiny bit. It's got a lock-in gas cap.
I like this too. So the trunk, they did that kind of gold splatter. It's super cool. And they even got like the fire extinguisher and jack to match that gold. You got a spare tire here.
Yeah, what a quality build, Dalton.
It's a neat car. The worst chip, I think, is right here on this sail panel area.
Yeah, and that was touched up. But the biggest thing with it is laser straight body, rust-free. I mean, it's a mirror finish everywhere on the car.
Yeah, rotisserie done. There's one very small little pea-sized ding I just noticed about right here.
Well, the biggest thing is when you're around them and you're working on them and you're enjoying them, you're going to get a little scratch or something. Oh, sorry.
Let's say, look at the reflection in that door of the American flag. It's just like
how it lines up. Like you said, the back of the hood, top of the fender, all your gap from front to back, top to bottom.
Beautiful car. It's got two little chips there.
And just a little bit when he buffed it, just a little tiny little bit right through here in the body line in there.
One right there. So still a car that's going to win you trophies.
It's going to win pretty much trophy everywhere, and it might have best paint. I mean, that's the quality of the paint on this car.
Yeah,
when it was done. You know what I mean? As far as the jams and everything.
Yeah, this was not an inexpensive paint job. It's really hard to get a black car to be this straight.
Oh my gosh. And just the quality, man.
Finish.
Every piece is painted off. The car. Tilt column too. That's a nice option with factory tack.
Nice carpet. Factory tack.
I love, this is a great choice. I want to do this a bunch more.
Yeah.
Because the bolsters just hold you, they hold you in the car.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
The
Let's go
stance
ahead and
is,
roll our windows up, Dalton.
the stance
and,
is
use the
just right
air.
on this too. When the car came in, it was this nice, but the guy leaned a little heavy into the gold. So it had like some kind of gold wheels and it had gold inserts in the interior. So we redid the interior, changed the wheels, added vintage air. Just awesome,
Jeez.
awesome car.
I mean, the hardest thing is to get one that's as nice, as solid, and rotisserie restored like this.
Yeah,
All right, let's drive
I
it,
love
huh?
this thing. And it looks so damn cool sitting out here or going down the road. It's just sleek. Windows go up really easy.
Yeah. I mean, super high-end build on this one.
Headliner's great.
Tack works, factory tack works. We put a new one of those in there as well. That didn't work when it came in.
TV on the RCA, no AC in the vents.
This is just another one, man. Jump in this thing. Go on the next power tour. Enjoy it. Have fun with it, but also win a trophy at your car show.
Air works nice.
Wipers work great. It's freaking quality throughout.
Gas gauge works, oil pressure, carries great oil pressure.
How many times do you find these factory gauges like that? I mean, that's pretty neat as well.
Yeah, it is.
We got just a nice lineup of classic cars here at Coyote Classics right now. How about we move those cones? Cones go over the rocks, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, we should. The only person that's keeping out is us right now, trying to get out of there.
It's got some nice highway gears in it too, Dalton.
Yeah,
I mean, if
it
a guy
does.
wants to just put a lot more pep in its step, you can go ahead and put some 355s, 373s in it, but it's just freaking too nice. You know what I mean? It's an awesome cruiser. Brakes work perfect, no pull left or right.
Temp gauge works down there.
Oh yeah, yep.
That air, Brant did a good job with that. Took
Even here, I mean,
Took a
just
long time, but
there's so
nice.
much customization and air conditionings. It's not even funny.
They probably had a week in
A
labor
week,
doing
week and a half. Look at the gears. I mean, that was first gear into 5,500 RPM. I take that back. This thing runs great, but like you said, it's a high RPM car.
Yeah, and that's what Brant said when he went to like adjust the lifters. The guy has that whole engine set to run, high RPM. So there's lots of travel, or however you explain it, and it makes sense. It's got a lot of power in those high RPMs.
What are we doing? 90? Probably.
Yeah.
Speedometer is
Got a tractor, right?
quite a ways off, you guys. Look at the brakes. High-speed braking is awesome. Look at that.
Yeah, we're good.
Dalton, I'm super impressed. All why the air conditioning is blowing probably 40 degrees.
Yeah.
I mean, it is blowing ice freaking cold. I've never really just drove this thing and just kind of got on the RPMs at 4,000 to 5,000,
Yeah.
but that's what this thing's for.
Yes, that's what. Yeah, Brant told me how this.
I bet this thing would be an
motor's built.
absolute ripper though, with a little different gear in it.
Yeah, I'm guessing it's got like a
308.
308 gear.
Yeah. What a car, man.
4-speed shifts good, runs good, idles good, great oil pressure. It's all warmed up.
And I just can't say enough. All why the air conditioning is wide open.
This guy's gonna let us around.
Oh, yeah,
He's seen
yes,
how
he
fast
knows.
we drive before.
He knows. First gear yet, guys. It does not miss a beat. The suspension's fantastic. This is, I'm not gonna say it's my new favorite car, but I'll tell you what, going down the road and stuff, frickin' I'd give it a 10.
Yeah,
I
awesome.
would.
Yeah.
I mean, it doesn't need shit.
It's a real good car. Check it out on the site, coyoteClassics.com. This thing should not be around long. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.